Hey there, in this video I will give my review of using Claritox Pro to get rid of dizziness. You can also explore this product in the description also. I recently tried Claritox Pro and was impressed with its ease of use and fast results. This supplement is an all-natural, herbal formula that helps to reduce anxiety, support cognitive function and improve sleep and reduce dizziness. Each container is made here, in the USA, in our FDA-supported and GMP-confirmed office under clean, severe and exact guidelines. The directions on the bottles say to take one capsule twice a day, but I decided to only take it once a day as a preventative measure. Within just a few days, I started noticing positive changes in my mental state and overall energy level. The most noticeable effect was the reduced stress levels. I felt more focused and relaxed throughout the day. Overall, Claritox Pro has been incredibly beneficial for me. It's definitely worth trying if you're looking for something natural and safe to reduce your anxiety or promote better sleep. The effects were almost immediate, so this is definitely an excellent choice for those who want fast results without having to wait around for months for other products. Highly recommend. Make sure you guys check out the description to explore this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.